Hello, 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 Media.Exchange. This is Nico Badayas of Yes My Love, and this is M-Exclusive. Well, obviously, it's Season 3 and another set na mga joke bosses ang idadagdag natin. Asing talker naman, magkakaroon din kami ng iba pang role maliban lang dun sa pagsasayaw before pagbigay ng result. Feeling ko, maging joke bosses. Kasi gusto ko lang din matry paano yung alam mo yun, maging part nung judging, bibigay ng comments, tapos pag nakikinig sila every time sa mga sing testers. I would love to hear Ate Kat, Catriona Gray. Yeah, Ate Catriona Gray. And sino ba makakalaban niya? Ate Yeng. Yan, Ate Yeng and Ate Kat. Ayeng Constantino. Ito, to be honest, real talk. Yung pagsasayaw kasi namin, like, given engine na namin yun eh. Pero like, yung ma-witness every sing testants, yung mga hidden talents ng people from Visayas, Mindanao, and some parts dito sa Luzon, yun yung actually mas nakaka-excite eh. Kasi every performances, parang meron silang meron silang baon na hindi mo usually nakikita in your daily basis. Okay, feeling ko yun yung hinahanap ko, yung total package performer. Hindi lang yung kumakanta, possible if marunong din sumayaw, di ba? Marunong din i-act out yung emotion ng song. I think yun yung isa sa yung mga qualities for me na hinahanap. Hello again, this is Nico Badayas of Yes My Love, and I'm all inviting you to watch Singling every Saturday, 5:45 p.m. only at TV5. Thanks for watching!